Switching an object's color can be done easily and simply in Blender by using a carefully crafted color ramp and driver. You can even animate it by keyframing. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in under 5 minutes. Here's how. First, let's open a new Blender file and delete everything except for the cube. Now, with the cube selected, go to the Object Properties tab and scroll down to the Custom Properties. Click on New, and then click on the gear icon. The Edit Property dialog box appears. Rename the property to Color Index and change the type from Float to Integer. Set the min value to 0 and the max value to 6. This means that in this example, we will set it up to switch between 7 different colors. Then click on OK. Now hover over the layout and press N to reveal the Properties tab. We can see there is a new section appearing at the bottom called Properties, and if we drop it down, we can see our custom property there. The index cycles between 0 and 6, just like we specified. Let's lift up the timeline area and change it to Shader Editor. Add a color ramp node and connect it to the base color of the principled shader. Now we want to link the custom property we just created to the factor in the color ramp. To do this, let's add a driver to the factor. First, slide the factor over to 0, and then right-click and select Add Driver. Set the type to single property. Select the cube as the object we want to apply it to. Now we need to add the path. So move over to the custom property in the Layout Properties section and right-click over the color index and choose Copy Data Path. Now go back to the color ramp. The factor is now purple because it has a driver. Right-click and select Edit Driver. Now paste the copied path into the Path section and hit Enter. Then change to the Material Preview mode. And now if we toggle the color index between 0 and 1, it will change the object's color from black to white. So now let's change this so that we can switch between 7 different colors. We can do this by adding more stops in the color ramp. We already have stops at the beginning and end. So let's add 5 more evenly spaced in the middle. Click the plus button 5 times. Then, from the drop-down menu, click Distribute Stops Evenly. Now, go ahead and change each of the colors. Now, if you toggle through the color index, it still doesn't work. That's because we haven't told the driver the position or value of the stops. Let's do that now. Right-click over the factor and choose Edit Driver. In Expressions, change it to var divided by 6. This is 1 less than 7. So if you want 7 colors, then you choose 6. If you had 10 colors in the ramp, then you choose 9, i.e. 1 less. Now when we toggle through the color index, we see the factor increase by 0.167, which is the exact spacing of each of the stops in the color ramp. You can easily animate this property using keyframes. Let's change the shader view back to the timeline. Now, select the color index, hover the mouse over the value and hit I to insert a keyframe. Then, advance the timeline and repeat the process using a different value for the color index. Now when you play it, it will switch seamlessly between the colors. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.